Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set the shipping and delivery settings in the Shopify application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the store button at the bottom of the page on the right. And then click on the settings button. And at the store settings section, look for the shipping and delivery button and click on that. So this is the page where you can manage the shipping and delivery processes, as well as giving additional information and set the different sections regarding these two topics. So shipping, first you can choose where you ship and how much you charge for these shipping at the checkout. So at the general shipping rates, you can click on the manage button, and you can set like your shipping location. You can create a shipping zone, so you can set a name for it, and you can choose which countries you are delivering to. And next you can set the processing time. So click on the manage. So if you decide to use a processing time in order to show delivery dates at the checkout, just click on the box, and you can set the processing time. So if it's the same business day, the next business day, or it takes 2 business days. So yeah, you can also set it. And then you can set if you have this local delivery option, which means that deliver orders directly to local customers, if it's available or not. You can set the local pickup option as well, which will let customers to pick up their orders at your location. So if you doesn't offer, then just don't tick this. If you offer, then tick this. And then you have to like give additional information, like expected pickup time, like usually in 1 hour, 2 hours, or a few days. Of course, you have to give the shop location where they can pick it up. And then you can like type some pickup instructions, like when can they do it exactly, and so on. So these. And after that, you can add like the packages sizes, and then some more information on like you can give it a name, you can give the package type, if it's a box, if it's an envelope. Of course, it's like depending on the type of product that you're selling. And you can also set like specific datas for weight, and then length and height as well. So you can do that. And then you can also like custom order fulfillment settings. You can add an email for a custom fulfillment service that will fulfill orders for you. But these are just additional things. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.